Oh, superheating time. Yeah, so let's go through the process here. We are going to be getting rid of our Cloudflare AI setup. So we'll go into the service right here. It's actually really simple to get rid of it. Just make sure it's stopped if it's running. Continue. Stop service. Now, sometimes I've noticed it doesn't stop it. You may have to restop it. If that's the case, just ready to stop it again. But it looks like, yeah, see, yeah, it looks like it's stopped. And then go to danger zone, click delete, make sure everything's checked, continue. You have to copy the name of the service, paste it here, and then you'll have to put in your server password. It is this one, I believe. Now this is also another one you might have to do twice sometimes. It looks like that worked. Okay, and that's done in Coolify. And then we're going to ask for the LLM to help us clear it on our server itself. So I'm logged into my server. Just type root and then your SSH root and then your IP address of your server. Okay, so let's check if the Docker server is running. Is it in? Coolify. I'm not seeing it here. We're going to, anyways, just have AI look at this for us. Copy that. Borrow Brock for this. One step at a time, please. Here is where I'm at. We'll just paste the results here. Make it do all the lifting for us. Okay, there's no container named Cloudflare AI. Using the image and the list. This means Cloudflare container is not present in VPS. If it was present, how would you remove it? You do the images to find it. This is how it looked like, something like this. Right? And then you just do this. That removes the image. And if you need to force to remove it, you just add these flags here. Right? And just double check that it's gone. And that's that step. Okay. That step is done. Next step. Okay, I'm going to check for the volume. I think I already got rid of this stuff, but we're just going through the process. There's build, kick, Coolify. It doesn't look like it's there. So we have an issue here. Okay, we're checking. And there was a volume. How do I remove it? Again, everything can be done through just these LLMs. It's really, you don't have to know how to do anything. Okay, so you list it like we did. You find the name of it, and you just use Docker volume remove Cloudflare data. Yes. So if you get an error, you may have to double check now the container's using it. That's why we stopped and removed for it before. Don't do this. Don't do that. Don't follow that advice there. Okay, so the next step would be to remove the clone Cloudflare repository. That does exist. So we'll just go ahead and do this. All right, we see it right there. So we'll just go ahead and put that command. And it is gone. Okay, removed. Yeah, I think we're done. folder, remove it from the code. Yeah, I did that. Yes, I already did that, dude. I already did, my dude. Okay. There's a builder we might have to remove too, if you want to remove that. Let's see here. Doesn't look like it's here. Again, we'll just go through the footsteps here. Okay. So if it was there, you would just run this command, docker build x rm, and then the name of the builder. It gets named randomly. It's auto-generated name. So whatever, it's going to be something weird like Bold Austin or whatever. Okay. Checks. Docker Bold Austin, yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. That is done. Just give it a report so it knows what step we're at. Not much to this, right? Okay. And that's the whole process. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Thank you for joining me. That's how you remove the whole thing completely from your system. And yeah, thanks for joining us.